I welcome you to Solve Math on the GEOCAN educational channel. Good. We are still on addition and subtraction of integers. In our last lesson, I did give you a question to play around, and today we are going to commence or start our lesson by solving that particular question. So please pay critical attention here. We have 52 plus negative 26. Remember, I've been telling you always since we commenced addition and subtraction of integers that anytime you have a positive and a negative number close to each other, the negative number has power. It has power. It has power over what? The addition of positive symbol. Good. So with this, you can also write it as 52 minus 26 because the negative has power over the addition sign. So you can just forget about it. Fantastic. So when you write it as this, it becomes easier for you to solve it because 52 minus 26 is so easy. But let's solve it. So 52 minus 21, 6. Good. Now, 2 minus 6. You have 2 and you want to subtract 6. Is it possible? It's not. So you go to the next number to borrow 1 from that number. Borrowing simply means subtracting 1 from that number. So when you subtract 1 from this 5, it will be left with what? 4. So cancel this 5 and write 4 there. Good. Now don't forget about that one you borrowed. It quickly turns into 10. Okay? Good. Then you add that 10 to this 2. So 10 plus 2 give you what? 12. So cancel this 2 and put 12 on top. Good. So now we have 12 here. So we can subtract. And 12 minus 6 will give you what? 6. Good. I believe you got that. Fantastic. Now the number here is no longer 5 because we've borrowed 1. So it's what? It's 4. So it's 4 minus what? 2, which will give you what? 2. Good. So it becomes what? 26. Easy as ABCD. What it simply means is that 52 plus negative 26 will be equal to 26. Nicely written. Easy as ABCD. Good. Now, let's look at today's question, which is 65 plus negative what? 47. Good. Negative number has power over positive number. So write it all so that becomes easy. Math is interesting, isn't it? Good. Now, so we have 65 minus 47. Good. Now, so 65 minus 47. Let's solve it. 65 minus 47. Good. Now, 5 minus 7 is what? You have 5 and want to subtract 7 from it. 7 is small, so it's not possible for you to take away 7 from the 5. So what do? You have to go and borrow 1 from the next number. Borrowing simply means you are subtracting 1 from the next number. And what is it? We have 6 here, so subtract 1 from 6. It becomes what? It will be left with a 5. So cancel this 6 and put 5 there. Now that 1 you borrow, it turns into 10. So don't forget and add it to the next number here, which is 5. So 10 plus 5, giving us what? 15. Easy as ABC. This should be easy for you. 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 6 is 16. 10 plus 3 is 13. So 10 plus 5 is just 15. You don't have to think about this. Okay? Good. So now we have 15 here. I believe you got it. So 15 minus 7. What do you get? You get what? 8. Easy as ABCD. And the number here is no longer 6, but it's what? 5. So 5 minus 4, which will give us what? 1. Voila. So the answer is 18. So what it simply means is that if you have 65 plus negative 47, your answer is what? Positive 18. Easy as ABCD. Good. I will leave question 3 for you. That is 88 plus negative 59. It's easy. Just follow the same steps and solve it in your various homes. You can show it to your parents Or better still, you can send it to me on my various social media platforms, GEOCAN Educational Channel on YouTube, or GEOCAN TV on YouTube, or better still, GEOCAN Educational Channel and GEOCAN TV also on Facebook, or Solve Math also on Facebook, or Kids Zone also on Facebook, or better still, GEOCAN Educational Services. You can send your answer or results to all these platforms, and definitely as GEOCAN, I will provide you with a feedback. So we'll meet again for our next lesson. My name is Jokan, and I have love for math. Adios.